Good evening, one and all. I think all the participants are eagerly waiting for this Saturday evening as we are habituated with this webinar. This is our 27th webinar under Biodiversity Webinar Series 1. From the month of April 2021, we are going to organize another series, that is Environment and Development. So this is our second last webinar. This is the 29th lecture. Due to West Bengal Assembly election and university examination, we have to postpone our third conference, 3-day conference. All the matter related to conference will be discussed at the end of the webinar. So again, thanks to all of you on behalf of Biodiversity Webinar Organizing Committee. Today's resource person is Dr. M. Gopi from Department of Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Guru Nanak College, Chennai. His topic is Alluring Spectrum of Nature versus Society. I am requesting Dr. Das to give small introduction of today's resource person.
Today's research person is Dr. M. Gopi, that is head of the Department of Botany from 1st June 2018, but actually in the Department of Plant Biology and Biotechnology. Sir did his MPhil in the year 1997 and 98, studies on the in vitro antifungal properties of bark, flower bark, and seeds from Cassia auriculata using opportunistic fungi and dermatophytic fungi. Did his PhD from Madras University in the year 2010. Topic was structural diversity and biochemical dynamics of some Indian plant galls. Sir published 13 papers, attended 3 international conferences, participated in social awareness program, national level conference and workshop 34, attended state level seminar 3, attended seminar for inter college 1. Sir is coordinator for Tree Census program, Tamil Nadu Forest Department, coordinator editorial board, Guru Nanak Journal of Multidisciplinary Research. Sir published one book and newsletters on one. Paper published as a whole 20. Today's lectures, Alluring Spectrums of Nature versus Society. Sir is here, so sir, please start your presentation.
So good evening, sir. Thanks for your wonderful introduction. Just a minute, sir. I will present my PPT. Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Today, my topic is alluring spectrum of nature versus
আমার নেট কানেকশন কেটে গেছে।
See here, the beautiful color and then different texture, architecture, and then with different hues. So it is produced only by plants. So it is a aesthetic value. So most of the naturalists, it is an inspiration for the color and texture, even the musician, literatures, everybody. So the plant, it will give many parts, that is root system, or it may be underground stem, or it is a juvenile stem, leaves, or bud, or even the fruits. All the parts, it is useful to mankind. Like for example, root, if it is a radish or carrot, it is useful for mankind. Even the underground stem, potato, bamboo, it is a juvenile stem. Even the leaves, almost all the greens, it is useful for our cooking purposes. Even the petiole, it is also useful. The cabbage, it is one of the best example for leaf bud. Even the axillary bud, so Brassica oleracea. So these are all, it is useful for the cooking purposes. Pre-floral apical meristem, like for example cauliflower. Unripe fruits, tomato, peppers. So these are all comes under our day-to-day life. The ripe fruits, pumpkin. So this is one of the examples, but many examples. Even the mature seeds. So it starts from the root and seeds. So we are consuming only the plant product. In olden days, the 7 wonders of the world. So everybody know the hanging garden. So the Babylon hanging garden. It is built in about 600 BC. That is called it as Garden of Babylon. The Garden of Babylon was the east bank of Euphrates River, about 50 kilometers south of Baghdad, Iraq. Ancient stories says King Nebuchadnezzar built the garden for his homesick of wife. So we don't have the exact picture, but this is the diagrammatic view. This is the first evident. So we are maintaining the garden, that is hanging garden, call it as Babylon. It is the 7 wonders. Okay, what is wonders? So wonders means it is unbelievable, but it is a real unbelievable. Here you can see the coconut tree. This is a normal coconut tree, but sometimes it will show, it looks like a different way of the growth. So that is why it is the unbelievable, but it is a wonders. So now we will study some of the wondering features of plants. With the first examples, everybody know touch me not plant. See here, when you touch this particular plant, it will shrink. So this is called it as Mimosa pudica. So this particular plant, it is everybody's knows. So even common people, laymen, also understand the what is touch me not plant. And then wonders of the plant world. This one is for all the plant lovers out there. A few interesting facts about plants that you probably didn't know. So some of the plants, it is quite interest. So we will discuss about one by one. The oldest seed plant. In the world, the oldest seed plants during the Jurassic Park. It starts from the Jurassic Park along with the dinosaur. But nowadays there is no dinosaur, but along with the dinosaur, the Ginkgo tree, it is flourished on that age, but still now it is flourished. Ginkgo biloba, still it is lives. So it is roughly calculated about 18 crores years. See, this is the Ginkgo biloba gymnosperm plant. This is the oldest seed plant. And then world's oldest plant. So most of the brancher is not present, the only the remnant of the plants. So the last ice age in California, it is pointed out 13,000 years old plant. Example, Jurapa oak. Jurapa oak, it is calculated about 13,000 years old, but it is not a huge tree, but it is a remnant only. The next, Science Daily pointed out during 2008, the one particular plant, it is old 9,550 years old. So example, the spruce tree in Sweden. So this is the second category of the oldest plant. The smallest plant in the world. So Wolfia ariza. So this is the smallest plant, and then you can see the 2 dozen of plants. It is fit into our fingernails. Even this smallest plant produces the flowers. The biggest plants, everybody knows sequoia, the range, height and weight, it will uh, changes every day and then every year. You cannot calculate the exact height and weight. So this is the approximate weight. Here you can see the establishment age, everything. Here you can see the base. It is used as a subway for car parking, and then it is a subway. So it is a largest plant in the world. Everybody know the different colors of the plant, but the tulip flower, it will produce black. It is not exactly the black, but it is the dark purple color. That is where it comes under. It looks like a black in color. The tulip flower, it looks like it will produce enormous quantity of different colors of flowers. Among the different colors, black color flowers, it is not exact black color flowers. The first plant in the space. During 1982, Soviet space station Salyut 7 orbit in the Earth. The first plant in the space, call it as Arabidopsis. The lifespan of about 40 days. During this 40 days, it will produce the flowers and it will produce the seeds and the zero gravity conditions. The slowest flowering plant, Huia Raymondi. It is considered as the slowest flowering plant, but it is a very rare plant. It grows in the Andes Mountains, South America. It takes roughly 150 years to flowers. The largest seed in the world, Lodoicea maldivisa. So this is a particular seed. It is calculated as a largest seed, and it will take 10 years to develop, and it will around 20 kilograms. It is present in Kew Gardens in England. The toughest seed. So 15,000 years old Arctic lupin, recently discovered in Canada, the toughest seed. Even though it is the oldest seed, but still it is alive and it is grow as a new individual. This is the one of the toughest seed, calculated around 15,000 years old plant. Largest leaves. See here the picture, you can see actually it is the forest, the scrub forest. So the scrub forest, in between the scrub forest, you can see the tallest leaves. So this is considered as a largest leaves in the world, raffia palm. So commonly call it as raffia. It is a native of tropical America, the largest leaves which can grow as long as 80 feet. Most limited leaves, Welwitschia mirabilis. So it is a unique and distinction of growing only 2 leaves in its entire 100 years of lifetime. Grows at the rate of 5 to 8 centimeter per year. Average plant has leaves measured about 6.5 meter at its centenary celebration. See here the only 2 leaves, but it is a very slow growth. It is reported as most limited leaves. Hottest and coolest plants. In alpine snow bell, it is a tiny plant produces, see here, this is a tiny plant produces heat in its shoot to melt a hole in the snow. Here you can see the snow due to the pressure shoot, it will produce the heat energy. This heat energy, it will melt the ice and it will develop and it is reaches the substratum during the flowering season. So that is why it is called it as hottest plant in the world. Likewise, Socorro cactus, air conditioned room. So here you can see some of the words, it will make it as a room or it is a domain. So the birds hole in the stem and live cooler up to 30 degrees Celsius in the hottest summer. Most carnivorous plants. Everybody know the carnivorous plant. It is a non-vegetarian plant. Geraniums, begonia. The seeds of the shepherd's purse kill and eat the bugs. See here some of the Drosera and then Nepenthes. These plants, it will produce the leaves. It is modified into pouches. Within the pouches, some of the insect enter into these pouches and automatically it is digest and it is take it as a nitrogen molecules. Okay, these are all the some of the examples. Shyest flower. Australian orchids, it is considered as a shyest flower. Why it is called as a shyest flower? It live grow and flower below the ground. You cannot see how it is grow without sunlight, so how they survive without sunlight. Nothing is known. It will also produce the seeds without sunlight. So use their own pollens. It depends the cross pollination, but it is only the self-pollinated plants. But even though it is a shyest plants, it never grow towards the sunlight. Dama di noche, commonly called as cestrum. So Dama di noche, it's a blooms at night and closes during the daytime. This species is grown as ornamental plants for its strongly scented flowers. Due to the moonlight, it will grow and flourish. Stickiest flower. So the stinkiest flower considered as a Sapalia. It is a smell. It looks like a rotting flesh, highly desirable to flies only. And then petals on this flower, it looks like a resemble decaying skin. See here, it is a decaying skin. It is called it as stinkiest flower. Most punctual flowers. The most of the flowers, it is open and close at a particular time. So these plants are called it as a clock flowers. Why it is closing and opening in particular time? To protect the pollen from the cold and rain season from the other area. One of our scientists, Carolus Linnaeus, planted a flower in his garden, could tell the time by exact time by looking position of the petals. So that is why it is called it as most punctual flowers. One of the example, Mirabilis jalapa, it is otherwise called it as 4 o'clock plant. At the evening 4 o'clock, it will bloom and it will open the petals. That is why it is called it as punctual flowers. Largest inflorescence in the world. The Titan aurum is considered as the largest inflorescence in the world, and it is amorphous and it is present in Sumatra. Largest flower in the world, everybody know. So Rafflesia arnoldi is considered as a largest flower in the world. Rafflesia is a scientist name, governor of the East Indian Company's establishment in Sumatra. It is declared after the death of Rafflesia. The plant, it is a very large and it looks like a water tank. You can put into the water in inside. It is a water tank. It can keep the water like a tank. World's longest flower. See here, it is the longest flower in Himalaya. Rubra blumum noble grow up to 1.25 meter in length. So it is the world's longest flower. Largest water plant, giant water lily. So it is present in Amazon and leaves a diameter about 2 meters. It is a very strong. Even you can put the just born baby, but it can float on them. Most explosive plant. So some of the plants, it is highly most explosive. One of the example, cucumber, sprouting cucumber, seeds burst opening to flying up to 8 meters, and then seeds touch speeds of over 100 km per hour when they are fired. So this is the one of the characteristic features, and it is a wonders. This is the only plant, it is explosive plant considered as in the world. Best parachutist. So the seed milkweed plant, it will produce the silky white fibers, that is called as a fluffy tail. So within this fluffy tail, you can see the seeds. It is a less weight, and this tails carries several kilometers, and the seeds float, and it is established in one particular area. So through this fluffy tail, so it will dispose mechanism from one place to another place. That is why it is considered as the best parachutist. Sunflowers. Everybody knows the sunflower characters. The sunflower face towards the sun. Why towards the sun? At the young stage, it is always faces the sun, whereas at the maturity, it never turns to sun. What is the reason? The young stage, the opposite to the sunlight, the other side of the sunlight, it will grow very fast because it is a dark. Whereas in the sunlight, it will grow very slow. That is why it looks like a direction of the flower towards the sunlight. After noon, it will changes the direction from the sun, east to west. Automatically, the west now it will receive the sunlight. The opposite side there is no sunlight, but it is a dark. So the opposite side now it is grow very fast. That is why it looks like towards the sunlight. The next interesting example, resurrection fern. So this particular fern, it will withstand even the drought condition for 100 years. After getting the water, it will swell and automatically it will regain. So this is the one of the best characteristic features of this particular plant, Polypodium polypodioides. So this is the resurrection fern. So it comes under the resurrection fern. Giant curl, the largest algae, it is noted, is call it as a Macrocystis pyrifera. So it will cover almost 65 meter in length. It covers the entire seashore. So that is why it is called it as a largest algae, giant kelp. The only plant the seeds are available in the outside. The strawberry is the only fruit. It is having the seeds on the outside. An average strawberry has up to 200 seeds. The most and least calorific fruits. So the calorific value, it is considered as a 741 calories per pound in the case of avocado, most hated by most of the dieters. Whereas the cucumber, it is only 73 calories. Baobab tree, Adansonia grigori. So this particular plant, it is a gigantic, and then trunk, it looks like a pillar. Like within the pillar, you can see the large quantity of water. Most of the local area peoples, they will use the water for during the scarcity. Euphorbia obesa. So this is the another interesting plant. There is no branch, there is no leaf, and there is no stem, but still it considered as a the plant, very good plant, but it is a present only in drought condition. Euphorbia obesa. So it looks like a ball or pin cushion. So this is the present in most of the botanical garden, and it is very difficult to identify. Hero of drought tolerance. So the cacti, it comes under hero of drought tolerance. Almost 2000 species so far identified, and it is a big Wilson's Echinocactus. Echinocactus wilsonsii eglum weighed about 37.5 kilogram placed in a room without water for 6 years. After some signs, the plant still alive, weight lost around 26 kg, only 11 kg lost. So that is why it is considered as a hero of drought tolerance. Most musical trees, whistling thorn trees. In scrub jungle, so mostly acacia plant, it is dominated. So the most of the acacia plant, it will produce thorns. So because it is a dry area, most of the leaves, it is modified into thorns. So this whistling thorn trees, sometimes the thorn, it will produce a bulged portion. Within the bulged portion, you can see some of the holes. So within these holes, the ant will go and stay for some times. When it move around the holes, so with the help of the wind, it looks like the sound. The sound is called as whistling thorn trees. So whistling sound, that is why it is a most musical trees. The tree has a hollow ball-shaped fruit. The ants, it is present within the ball-like structure. Ants move here and there. So with the help of the wind blowing across the walls makes the tree whistling. So most of the people consider as a whistling the plant. So ready to use. Some of the plant we can use ready to use, like for example aloe vera. So the aloe vera, it is most useful for for medicine as well as beautician. So this particular plant, it is available in Hawaii and Mexico. You can open the bulb and you can easily take the bulb directly without cooking. That is why it is ready to use in most of the plants. Fast growing plants. So bamboo comes under the fast growing plants. When compared to other plants, so bamboo is the fast growing. Even though it is a monocot, it is very fast growing, and the plant the entire world and can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. So it is a very fast growing, and it is also one of the strange. As it may seem, this is an authentic real life facts. The fig tree. So everybody know the fig live the longest of all fruit trees. So 2000 years. One fig tree, it will live for it 2000 years. You shove figures in a layer. So nobody knows what is the flower. So what is the male organ, what is the female organ, because within the cup it is present the male and female flowers. That is why it is very difficult to identify the flowers. So here you can see the fruits. So within the fruits, before the fruits, you can see the male and female flowers. That is why the fig tree, it is a very important, both for longer living as well as it is very good for health. So some of the lichens, it is very important. Here you can see the rock. So above the rock, you can see the many lichens. So this particular lichens, it is penetrate to the rock surface. This lichens, it will produce the acid on the surface of the rock, and sometimes it will penetrate the root system. After sometimes it will produce the sands, and the entire rock, it become dust, and then it will produce the dust, many dust and the sand. So this is called it as the one of the best example. It is even though it is a vegetarian plant, but it will produce a non-vegetarian characters. Who says the plants are not strong? So it is the strongest. Here you can see the different architecture of the plants. The first one, monkey orchid. So actually the petals, it looks like a monkey. Here you can see the rainbow. The entire trunk, it looks like a different colors. It is that is called it as a rainbow. Here you can see the lip. Here you can see the slipper. So lady slipper, and it looks like a beak. So parrot's beak. So everything here you can see the different architecture, and it looks like animals, it looks like a human beings, and then it looks like a beak. Here you can see the one interesting character, that is the petals. Sometimes it looks like a, some of the part it is a dark black in color. So the black color of the flower, it is not possible, but some of the plant, it will produce black color flower. Example, Maxillaria caculata. So this is one of the wandering plants. Edible plants. Almost we are taking the plants. There are 30,000 species of the edible plants in the world, but just 20 of them, including corn, rice and wheat, provide 90% of the world's food. So we are consuming only 20 of them. It is quite interesting. I have collected from this from the WhatsApp. So very nice concept. I am not in stone, I am not in temple, but I am in trees. So the plant trees for better future. So everybody is concentrating only on the money, but so the real money, it is from the plant. Man worships an invisible God and destroys a visible nature. Unaware that this nature is destroying, is this God is worshipping. So it's a very nice concept. I have collected some of the information from the internet and Facebook. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. So those who are like the nature, so really, if you think the positive vibration, it is goes to the nature and around the peoples. So if you cooperate with the environment, definitely it will cooperate with you. If you are not cooperate with the environment, definitely it will spoil us. I lost my friends and relations, so please help me to find them. I know you can hide, so no problem. Please at least give new friends for me. So see here. So due to our activities, that is human activities, here you can see the only one tree. So there is no tree. So that means there is no oxygen supply, only CO2. So if there is no plant, there is no way of living in the human, in the earth. So this is one of the information I have collected from the internet. The value of one single tree. See here. the huge tree, only one tree. Under the huge tree, the umbrella, you can see the number of people sitting and listening some lecture by the senior peoples. So this is the valuable thoughts. So today's I have collected from some of the information from the internet. So if you're not protecting the environment, so definitely our earth, it will go for the destroy. So please find out the way how to protect the environment, otherwise we lost our earth. See here, the earth, when you talk about the earth, when you talk about the plant, it looks like the lungs, so proper lungs. If you're spoiling the lungs, automatically you will get only the sand, no plants and seeds. So there is no way of living on the earth. See here, each and every times, that is geological time scale, deep time earth, so Cambrian, Silurian, and then Cretaceous, Neogenic, and then the Quaternary. So each and every year we are losing some species. It may be plant species or it may be animal species. Okay, this is the current situation. So there is no plant. So we are living along with the road and then other industries. There is no a proper plant. And then here you can see, if there is, we are not concentrating on the trees. If you cut some of the trees, automatically along with the trees, you can spoil the another genus. It may be plant or animal. So this is the time to save our trees, forests, wildlife and earth. So this is the best picture. The one particular tree, it is destroyed automatically. It depends upon the many birds and even the earth microorganism. If it is destroyed, automatically it is destroy the animals. Here you can see the picture from the Tamil Nadu. So one of the temple along with the many houses. There is no trees. So it is pathetic situation. So we are only the buildings. There is no plants. The 7 lakh people's breathing cancerous air in Chennai. So this is one of the report. And thanks to the state government. See here. So we are developing many industries. So indirectly we are reducing the polluted air. So that is why we are the time to concentrate on our biodiversity. 85% of your financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate, negotiate and lead. Shockingly, only 15% is due to technical knowledge. So this is one of the survey conducted by Carnegie Institute of Technology. So everybody is concentrating only on money and then personality, everything. But shockingly, 15% is due to technical knowledge only. So we are concentrating only on these areas. So we are neglecting the other areas. So now we will change our mindset. The truth of the life. At the early stage, so we are concentrating on the making money. And then middle age, we are also concentrating on the money. At the end, so we are lost our age. So we are end of the age. So what is we are concentrating? What is we are earning? So nothing. So the people are made to be loved and things and are made to be used. The confusion is in the world because people are being used and things are being loved. So this is one of the high concept for the current time. Money. Humans are the only species that pays to live on the planet. You just imagine the plant or animal never pay, but the human only pay for the water, pay for the house rent, everything. So that is why it is a nice concept. I have collected from some of the information from the internet. During 1996, almost all the people it is playing in outside of the house. But 2016 it is entirely different. We are tied up with the WhatsApp and then tied up with the laptop, everything. So this is the situation. So 96 and scenario and 2016 scenario. We are all tied with like a dog. So dog tied with the one row. So likewise, we are also tied with the WhatsApp, and then internet, so everything. So remember, the pharmaceutical industry does not create queues, they create only the customers. Okay, nowadays the pharmaceutical companies, it is tremendous development. It never cures the diseases, they create only the customers. So be careful. Now I am ready to save rainwater. Good concept, but where is rain? And then so please save nature. So the rainwater is a very very important for our life. So plant a tree. Everyone wants to park their vehicles in shade, but no one wants to grow trees. So please, at least at this juncture, we can concentrate to plant the trees. Here you can see most of the office, even the houses, it is putting one particular air condition, and it is a split AC or some other AC. How to beat the heat? So it will produce the enormous heat. Inside the room, it is very cool, but outside the room, it is very hot. Automatically, we will touch the ozone layer. So how to beat the heat? The simple technique is plant a tree. You don't spend anything. You don't use anything or otherwise. So you have to just play one thing, that is called it as tree, plant a tree. Imagine if trees gave free Wi-Fi, we did all be planting like crazy. It's a pity they only give us the oxygen we breathe in. So this is all our pretty. Okay, so we are concentrating only on oxygen, so it is helpful to breathe. See here, in future, it is coming soon. So the save water, because the water it is very scarcity. So this is one of the picture. Even think in 20 rupees nowadays, that drinking water it is a 20 rupees. After some times, I don't know how it is possible, but 200 per liter. So we are going reaching the target. Here you can see the rice, now it is 50 kg, 50 per kg. But after some times, it may be white color rice or black color rice, or we don't know the color of the rice, but rate, we can't understand how the rate. In olden days, we are going for the forest for exploration, we are studying the plants, even the animals, watching the elephant and then tiger. But in future, we are focusing only on the online virtual for the study of tiger and lion. So there is no the real vision, the only the virtual online classes. So most of the tea shops, they are using only the plastic for parceling the teas and coffees. It is nowadays it is practiced in most of the shops. Dear all, I want to share my personal experience. The American Doctors Association has given out answer for the causes of cancer. So nowadays, in even my relatives, even my friends, so most of the neighbors affected by the cancer. If cancer may be carcinoma, stomach, or it may be through many blood cancer, breast cancer, everything. How it is originated? Nowadays, it is everybody is having the cancer, but in olden days, there is no chance of cancer. So, what are the possibilities? The first one, do not take tea in plastic cups. In previous slide, you can see now the plastic, it is useful for making the tea. So do not take tea in plastic cups. Do not eat anything hot in a plastic bag. Example, chips. Do not heat foodstuffs in a microwave using a plastic material. Remember, when plastic gets into contact with heat, it produces chemicals which may cause 52 types of cancer. It is reported by the American Doctors Association. Therefore, this is my personal request. This SMS is better than 100 useless SMS. Inform your loved ones so as to be free from such effects. Use cloth or paper bags instead of using polythene bags. The government is considering the ban of all use and throw plastic, including plates and cups made of styrofoam and thermocol. And then hotels, restaurants, and marriage halls, which use thin plastic sheets to serve and pack food, and the highest plastic generators in Chennai city. So now I am living only in the Chennai city. That is why I am giving some information from the Chennai and neighboring. The plastic waste generations in tons per day: Chennai 429, Mumbai 421, New Delhi is highest 689. So somebody says there is no alternate of using the bags. We have the alternate, so but we are not concentrating the alternate. We are neglecting the alternate. See here, it is the plastic, not a plastic, but it is a the plant product. So instead of using the plastic, why can't we use the plant product? See, most of the houses in most of the area they are using the plastic. Instead of plastic, why can't we use the bamboo for the planting trees? So these are all some of the alternative. Triplicane. So I am focusing only on Madras because now I am staying in Chennai. So please excuse me. The Triplicane High Road during 1905. It is the city. In olden days, it is our city. You see here the most of the coconut tree. So and it is covered by forest area. But nowadays the entire high road it is entirely modified. Okay. So because of the human activities. And then one interesting feature. Why do we worship people tree? So quite interesting and very informative. The people tree is almost useless for an ordinary person except for its shadow. But people does not have a delicious fruit. Its wood is not strong enough for any purpose. Then why we should a common villager or person worship it or even care for it? Our ancestors knew that people is one of the very few trees or probably the only tree. So in my observation, even the scientific evidence which produces oxygen even at night, all the plants that it will not produce the oxygen, the only plant produces the oxygen even at a night. So in order to save this tree because of its unique property, they related it to God or religion. Even though we are related to God or not, the only thing is the scientifically proved that this particular plant, ficus plant, it is a ficus religiosa plant. It is highly producing the oxygen content 18 hours instead of 12 hours. It will produce 18 hours. It is scientifically proved. The tallest oak in the forest was once just a little nut that held its ground. Even though it is a small seed, but it will give a huge tree trunk. The 2000 years old tree in South Africa called the tree of life, the baobab tree. So see here the nature, the wonders. So not only it is a huge tree, it is a carbon sequestration. So the carbon, it is one of the basic problematic for the human being, but the plant, it will sequestration, the carbon sink, almost all the carbon it is accumulated and it is in the another way of chemicals, and then it is transferred to the other branches for the metabolic activities. Millions of trees in the world are accidentally planted by squirrels. So even though it is a small animal, so it is planted by squirrels who bury the nuts, then forget where they hide them. So this is the one of the reason most of the plant it will grow by the squirrel. Sometimes the animals will teach us. Together let's keep our world clean. Switch Bharat. So the crows will do the effectively. So the first picture, our peoples, that human beings, take the food and throw it in the soil. But some of the crow, it will take the plastic. So here you can see that it is a thermocol, and then it is take it from the ground and it put it to the basket. So it will teach us how to live everything. And then another thing, the ants, it is very, very quite intelligent when compared to human being. As per TAME, it is one of the chemical substances. Roaches and ants won't eat it. So, but we are using and we are consuming this particular sweetie as per TAME. And it cats and dogs won't eat it. Even though it is an animal, it is having the power and it is analyzed. So which one is the good, which one is the bad. So even houseflies won't eat it. But the human beings, Food and Drug Administration serves as per TAME to you. So we are the government and then we are the human beings. We know everything, scientifically proved everything. So in spite of that, we are using as per TAME. And then side effects including, you just see the side effects: headache, muscle spasms, irritability, heart palpitating, loss of taste, joint pains, dizziness, weight gains. So many things. So this as per TAME, if you are consuming the as per TAME, so we are facing the consequences. But even though it is a small organism, it avoid this particular as per TAME. How it will know everything? Because of the senses. So we are also the very good IQ everything, but still now we are using the chemicals. Please avoid these chemicals. It is dangerous to our health. 22nd April. So coming 22nd April, World Earth Day. So we will celebrate the World Earth Day. This is where we live. Then why we are earthing our home. Live with peace in our earth. Enjoy the art in our earth. Love as much in our earth. Keep it green and love our earth. This is the only one we have. Save it. Okay. So you to protect our neighboring earth, to plant some plant. It may be herbaceous or tree. So this is the only thing it will helpful to the next generation. Heat waves kills 2,330 people in India. So what is the solution? Plant a tree today. So the simple thing is you just plant a tree. There is no investment, there is no work, there is no heavy work. So only thing is you have to plant a tree, you just maintain the planted tree, it will kill the heat waves. So sometimes when you are in a dark place, you think you have been buried, but actually you have been planted. So this is the best example is plant. So underside you can see the root system. So it is the strongest root system. Upper side aerial you can see the plant. So we are not burying, so it will grow and it is useful to mankind. See here, without agriculture, so without farmer, we cannot do anything. So they are giving the wheat, rice for our food. If you forget the farmer, definitely we are facing the dangerous consequences. If you hate today, thank a farmer. So without farmer, we cannot do anything. Citizen 1. So most of the things it is done only by human being. Citizen 1, the first picture, Citizen 1, putting some dust. And then second citizen, so likewise, third, and then 15th citizen. Automatically, the first citizen come and see the same, oh, this city is so dirty. So who is the culprit? So human is the culprit. Don't be the first to start littering. So instead of putting the dust, you can littering the plant product or seed. So definitely it will grow for some time in future. If you agree, then share to others. And then another story. See here, the picture. Here you can see the young stage. The father putting one tree and pouring the water. Son, one day you will appreciate the truly important things in life. After some time, so he grew well and then married and then he has got the child. And then this particular small tree, now it is a huge tree under the tree, and his daughter playing easily and thanks to dad. But here there is no dad, but thanks to that. So this is the concept. So you can put a tree. It will grow after some times. So you will get the fruitful effects of the plant. An Indian man named Jadhav Payne started planting trees on a barren sandbar at the age of 17. But he is now 47. But it is a old one, but he is a 50 years and lives in his own 1360 acres forest, which now houses rhinos, tigers, deers, apes, and elephants. How it is possible? He is illiterate, but he is not a botanist, he is not educated, but he is created a forest, a jungle. So appreciate him. In Japan, doctors would prescribe forest therapy to treat depression and anxiety. So most of the people comes under the depression, anxiety. How to avoid? The simple way is the forest therapy. What is forest therapy? The scent of the trees increases activity of the natural killer cells that enhance your immune system, which boosts resistance against stress. So that is why the forest, it is a very good medicine. So if you exploring the forest, automatically you will absorb the oxygen along with the chemical substances. So automatically you will get the boost up your body, our mind. So that is why the Japan doctors prescribed the forest therapy. It is a recent origin. There is a fern. So everybody knows the fern. This particular fern, Azolla, it's a very, very minute in structure. At such high level of atmospheric carbon sequestration, it will fix the atmospheric carbon sequestration that it causes an ice age. So it developed from the ice age. Azolla captures 6 tons of atmospheric carbon per acre per year and could reduce the global CO2. If there is no this particular plant on the earth, so automatically increase the CO2 level. So this particular plant, it will reduces the carbon dioxide while providing high protein livestock feed or nitrogen rich fertilizers. If it is present in our soil, so definitely, so the cultivation of the plant, it will grow very fast. If a tree fertilize, it will give many seeds. If a man forces to protect our environment, trees become flourish. Per year, it will store around 3,800 liters water in its surface. In nowadays, most of the areas, it is very difficult to get the water. So problem is there is no tree on the surface of the city, even the villages. This is the problem we are facing, the water scarcity. So if it is trees are present on the surface, so definitely it will increase the water. So environment oath. Our former late president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the environment oath. So even though he was the physics background, but he was very much interested in the planting environment. So can we take an oath to make Kalam's dream of billion trees for billion people come true? So we will start from today, this second. So why we are planting a tree? Because so some of the trees, it is very, very useful and it is useful to mankind for many ways. I will discuss one by one. So indicators of pollution. Some of the plants, it is indicators of pollution, like for example Atricularia, Cara and Wolffia. Atricularia and Cara or Wolffia, so prefer to grow in polluted waters. So these three plant, it is present in a water, so you can easily identify this particular plant, it is highly polluted. It is the indirect indication. And then bacteria present, especially Escherichia coli present in water, so it is also the one of the indicator of pollution. So diatoms in water, so the pollution by sewage. So that if it is diatom is present in water, it is indirectly proportionate to it is sewage polluted. And then some of the trees, it is compared to noise pollution. It will control the noise pollution. Like for example, Azadirachta indica, Butea monosperma, Eucalyptus citridora, Maduka indica, Mangifera indica, Terminalia arjuna, Reviella robusta, Syzygium communis. So these are all the plants. It is normally occurring most of the areas. Even the mango trees, it is present in most of the areas. So these are all the plants comes under the comfort of noise pollution. It will control the noise pollution, especially city. Some of the trees, it will remove the dust. Is it true? Yes. Is it true? So dust collection, and it is surveyed by the forest department Tamil Nadu. So the dust collection efficiency of city trees, simple leaves. So you can divide it into two groups, simple leaves and compound leaves. The simple leaves, it is a Mangifera indica, Ficus religiosa, Polyalthia, Tectona, Thespecia. See here, grams per square meter. So how many grams per square meter it will clear the dust. So highest it comes under Polyalthia. So this particular plant, it will take 4.56, cleaning the 4.56. The next comes under the Tectona 5.35. The next Polyalthia 4.56. The first one is Thespecia 7. So the 7 grams per square meter Thespecia. The next one is Tectona, and then Polyalthia, and then Ficus religiosa, the last one Mangifera. So this particular information I have collected from the forest department. Next one, dust collection of compound leaves. Previously we have discussed about the simple leaf. Here it is a compound leaves. Even the compound leaves also, it will collect the dust. Tilonyx regia, Tramarindus indica, Cassia fistula, Azadirachta indica. So the highest compound leaves are Azadirachta indica 2.92, next one Cassia fistula, and Tamarindus indica 2.08, and Tilonyx regia 1.44. So that is why in the modern, our government, it will put the avenue trees in most of the highways. So it will collect the dust and clean the environment. SO2 tolerant tree species. And nowadays most of the soils, it is accumulate the SO2, sulfur dioxide. But some of the trees, it will absorb the sulfur dioxide. For example, Albizia lebec, Ailanthus excelsa, Azadirachta indica, neem tree, Mimosas salenchi, Polyalthia longifolia, Butula, Peduncula, Tilonyx regia, Ficus religiosa. These are all the plants comes under the SO2 tolerant tree species. Again, I have collected information from the forest area. Tree, what they do. So everybody is telling about the tree planting, plantation of tree, get tree. What is the main aim to planting a tree? What they do for us? Yes, this is the main question for everybody. The first one, if the plant is present on the surface, it will reduce the solar radiation. So usually the sunlight is focused mainly on the earth. If the earth, it will get the heat energy, automatically temperature will rise. It will reduce by the trees only. That is why reduce the solar radiation and absorb and filter the most of the rays, and then absorb harmful gases, regulate wind speed, and then control the noise level, reduce the erosion of soil. So very, very important, erosion of soil, and then carbon sequestration. So the carbon dioxide. So it will reduce the carbon dioxide. So these are all the work it is done by tree. That is why we are focusing on tree plantation of a tree, planting a tree. Air pollution in Chennai city. I am very sorry to say, in Chennai city, so we are affected next to the Delhi and Mumbai. Why I am focusing only Chennai city? Because I am at Chennai. That is why I am focusing Chennai. Please bear with me. Air pollution in Chennai city. Domestic 9%, industrial 20%, traffic 71%. So the pollution level in Chennai city. So that means most of the two-wheelers, most of the four-wheelers we are using for our lifestyle. Okay, so that will causing the polluted area in Chennai. Last 20 years, the Chennai, it's a beautiful city, but now it is polluted because of we are using the two-wheeler and four-wheeler. That is the problem we are facing. Plants viewed the carbon sinks. So the carbon sinks, what is the carbon sinks? So it will absorb, it will control the CO2 level. That is the carbon sinks. So removes the CO2 in the atmosphere and ocean and then increase the O2 level, fixing it into organic chemicals, release of oxygen. The plant produces some CO2 and but it will during the respiration, but it is quickly it is used by photosynthesis. So okay, automatically it will reduce the CO2. So that is why it is a very good carbon sink. The Siddha medicine. The plant not only protect our environment, it also gives to the valuable medicine. In Siddha medicine, what is Siddha medicine? So most of the monks, so in olden days, most of the monks, they are written some of them Vedic. So this medicine is useful for this particular disease. So one of the example, Phyllanthus neruri. This particular plant, it is highly useful to jaundice. So the jaundice, if you have the jaundice disease in one particular patient, so the best remedy is you have to take the leaves of Phyllanthus neruri, belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Euphorbiaceae family, no other way. So this is the best medicine to cure the jaundice level. In nowadays, Kabasura Kudini. Okay, the ingredients, see the ingredients, how it is prepared. So the ginger, clove, almost it is 14 ingredients. So this Kabasura Kudini. So what is the use of the Kabasura Kudini? So it will kill the virus, the COVID-19 virus. So if you take the Kabasura Kudini, it never affects our body. So that is why, so we are depending upon the natural medicines. Even dengue fever, so everybody knows the dengue fever. So the best remedy for the dengue fever is the Nilavembu Kashayam or Nilavembu Kudini. So the Nilavembu, the Kashayam decoctions. So the decoctions of this particular plant, Nilavembu. So this is the prescribed by Health Department of the Delhi. So the most of the aims in Delhi prescribed only this particular Nilavembu Kashayam for dengue fever. The mosquito eradication drive accelerated this particular plant product for the dengue fever. Everybody know the chlorella, it is a single cell protein. Even the spirulina single cell protein, even though it is a single cell protein, it is high rich content of the protein. This particular protein, it is helpful to our mankind, but it is developed from algae. Do plants sleep at night? Leisure? No. So if you are taking the rest means we have the brain. Animals and even the human beings, we have the brain. That is why we are taking the rest. But the plants, there is no brain. So there is no the means of leisure hours. The plants must always require a stretching of activity and of the mind into the future, the next year, the year after, and whatever its form. Surely the purpose of leisure time is to offer not only enjoyment but also interior satisfaction of accomplishment and self-expression by the great novelist Santa Rama Rao. So there is no sleeping, there is no rest in the plant life. If it starts from the germination, after the dormancy period, it starts from the germination, at the end of the life, it will always working for the benefit of the metabolic activities. Caution. Dear all, the next 10 months, so our earth will become the 4 degrees hotter than what it is now. So our Himalayas glaciers are melting at a rapid rate. So let all of us lend our hands to fight global warming. So what to do? Plant more trees, that's all. So don't waste water and electricity, and don't use or burn plastics. It cost around $38 trillion to create oxygen for 6 months for all human beings on earth for living. But trees do it for free. Respect them and save them. Trees do it for free. Respect them and save them. Human Rights Reporter issue 4 June 2011. Per year, 250,000 square kilometer forest destroyed. One tree about 50 years of life. The worth rupees 15,70,000 rupees. You just imagine. 1900, 7,000 billion hectares. That is the forest area in the world. In 1975, 2,980 billion hectares only. You just imagine during 75, during 1900, now 2021. So automatically it reduces the forest area. The plant speak to you. Listen carefully. You breathe because of me, but I suffocate because of you. I can live without you, but you cannot live without me. I am the world's number one high technological eco-friendly factory synthesizing food, oxygen for you and all the plants and animals. I filter dirty water into sweet water and store in my tender coconuts. I make sugar solution from water, that is sugar cane. You cannot do everything this. A tree that lives for 50 years in what? Rupees 32 lakhs. This information I have collected from the Forest Department, Headquarters Range Wildlife Division, Chennai, Tamil Nadu Forest. Provides flowers, fruits, medicine and other goods around 4.3 lakhs. Generation of oxygen 5.5 lakhs. Shelter for birds and animals 5.3 lakhs. Controlling air pollution you have to spend 10.5 lakhs. Recycling fertility and prevention of soil erosion you have to spend 6.4 lakhs. We just imagine these are all you are spending lot of things in the name of projects, DBT project, DST project, MOEN project, but the plant it will serve for free. Here also I am focusing only on Chennai city. Please excuse me. Greenery seen in old pictures of 1800 and 1900. See here, it is the hottest city, the Paris corner, TTK road, and then Mount road, Mylapore. Here you can see the Saidapet river. So in olden days, this particular river, most of the people's bathing and cleaning of the cloth, but now it is entirely changed. Almost this river now it is used as a sewage and then wastewater. Here you can see the again it is the highways, triplicane highways. So these are all triplicane highways. Now it is entirely covered by buildings only. There is no plants. At this juncture, I wish to quote the Guru Granth Sahib words, golden words. Man does not have the right to destroy what he cannot create. The human being is not an alien to exploit it. The humans are such a complicated creatures. Habit and customs differ, but all the people have the love of flowers in common. By Pandey and Singh. And then G.M. Prescott, 1969 words, as long as there are three men on the earth, there will be at least two different interpretations of the facts, possibly three, and we may find that none of them is correct. Okay, so we are discussing everything, we are doing everything, but nothing to do in our earth fruitfully. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's not about the circumstances, but rather what you are made of. So you think about the positive, innovative, how to protect the environment, how to protect the next generation. So that is helpful to do something to the generation. If an egg is broken by an outside force, life ends. If an egg is broken by inside force, then life begins. The great things happen from the inside. If you think positive, so definitely you will go give the best to the earth. The fact that jellyfish have survived for 650 million years despite not having brains gives hope to many people. But we have the brain. So you just imagine without brain, but it lived for 650 years. With the brain, we are not fruitful to the earth and others. Life has given us real highs to realize the real lies. So you understand the things and facts. See here, the animals, footprints. See here, seagull, dog, horse. The second picture, human beings, the footprints in the seashore vegetation and then seashore, be near beach. So we are using plastics, we are using the different food materials and they put into the same on the surface of the seashore. So this is our mindset and then this is our footprint. Bridge and wall are made with the same material, but bridge joins people and wall divides the people. Choose the right one. Have a nice day. An appeal for biodiversity. So everybody is talking about the biodiversity. Yes, I understand. So you understand the biodiversity. Before that, first you understand. So what to do for biodiversity? How to protect the biodiversity? That is triple E concept. It is not an electrical engineer, but it is a different. It is related to biodiversity. Know your, our environment. Conserve your, our earth. Live with your, our ecosystem. This is triple E concept. So if you understand the environment, earth, ecosystem, definitely you will protect, you understand what is biodiversity. So the last slide, Carolus Linnaeus words. If a tree dies, don't worry about that. Plant another in its place. That is a simple way to protect our environment. And then Charles Darwin, dig up fossils, not fossil fuels. So you can concentrate on different fossils for the understanding of the plant life. So not the making the money for fuels. Thank you. Have a nice day. Once again, I thank all my senior staff members, secretary, vice principal, head of the department, Parabadas sir, as well as Ghosh madam, everything for giving the wonderful opportunity to share my views, my imaginary views. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you once again. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gopi sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thanks for your vivid deliberation. You are bold and energetic as usual. I was in wonder world of plant for last 1 hour.
Thank you,
People
madam.
are more interested on zoo, but there is another wonder world in the botanic garden also. As plants are static, they are not so much concentration catching for general people. But the time comes for different thinking and concentrate on plant life and plants as they are the sole producer of this world for everything like food, fodder, clothes, medicine, oil, fuel, etc. Everything. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Your thinking is just matched with all of us. as we started our webinar for giving not only knowledge to people but make them interested on biodiversity related materials. And in this webinar, only 136 participants had registered, but in this webinar, more than 93 participants are present. So I feel relaxed that 93 participants became addicted to these webinars. Though some participants are not ready to give us full marks, but we are very happy and thankful to all the participants and our beloved resource person, as all my resource persons work with for us voluntarily. All these webinars we have organized with great uh, presentations and trying to maintain time also. And thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so
Yes,
much,
sir.
madam.
Lecture. Participants, have you any question? You can write in chat box. Any question, participants, you can write in chat box. No question, sir. One thing we have to discuss here, sir. You told that largest seed, that is double coconut, present in Kew Garden, but in
Yes,
our
madam.
botanic garden, Howrah, it is also present.
Oh, the same plant, madam.
Yes, yes, and
Oh, good, madam.
during our university
Oh,
reading, our sir went to botanic garden and we saw.
I see. It's a madam. It's very good, madam. Very good message, madam. Nobody know where it is present because I have collected only from the internet. So if
Oh,
you are
sir.
present in your university,
Sipur
please
Botanic,
focus,
no,
madam.
no, not university, sir. It is
Okay.
in Calcutta, Howrah Botanic Garden, Sipur
Oh, I
Botanic
see.
Garden.
Okay, okay, madam. Good, madam. Very good, nice information,
The
madam.
plant is also present here.
Oh, I see. Good, madam. Good, madam. Madam, you focus, madam. You focus on that. In India, it is present. You focus,
Yes,
madam.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Very nice information.
Madam, can you allow me to ask two questions?
Yes, madam. Please, madam.
Yes.
Number one question is that is bamboo
Yes,
plant
madam.
can be used for multi-purposes. So is it bamboo is the money-making plant? And second question that I went to Guwahati where the bamboo crop everywhere. The people from Guwahati they are using the bamboo crop, but people from Maharashtra they are not using the bamboo as a main crop. So how to convenience them?
Madam, I
This
will
is
tell
the
you, madam.
question.
I will tell you one thing, madam. So bamboo, it is a natural product. The only thing is, after some times, it will loses the capacity. But nowadays, most of the people's liking the plastic because it is a durability. So you can buy one plastic, so you can use it for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even the 10 years. But bamboo, it is not like that. After 1 year, you have to replace. So you have to again spend. That is why the people not preparing the bamboo for the environment related peoples. They are liking the bamboo only because bamboo never create the cancer. But if you are using the plastic, it will create the cancer. But people thinking, so we are spending money every year. We are spending money for the bamboo. That is why they are concentrating only on the money, not for the health wise. This is a problem in Chennai city also. Another
Sir, I
question.
can say, sir,
Yes,
I can say that good quality, that is a mature bamboo, made baskets, bamboo baskets are durable, sir.
Yes, madam, durable, but it is costly, madam. When compared to the plastic, the bamboo
Yes,
is
yes.
costly.
Obviously
So
it is
that,
costly,
yes, madam, that is
but
why
it's durable.
most of the people's avoiding. This is the
Yes,
only
yes.
reason.
Due to cost and due
Yes,
to non-availability.
yes,
During
correct.
this time, bamboo making, the craftspersons are not so good to make durable bamboo baskets and
Yes,
other
but
materials from bamboos.
yes, correct, madam. It's true. But now we are concentrating only on money, but we are not
Yes, sir. Yes,
concentrating
sir.
on our health. That is the
Yes.
problem, madam.
In our state, like in Darjeeling, there are so
Oh,
many bamboo crafts, and
oh, I
in
see.
in our ST belts, that is in Purulia, in West Bengal, Purulia, Bakura, many people are live on these bamboo crafts.
Oh, definitely, madam. But one day it will grow, madam. One day the people's awareness, now it is creating awareness. So definitely it will grow. And thank
Yes,
you,
yes.
madam. Jyoti Patil, madam. Thank you.
More,
Thank you,
if
sir.
any
Thank you,
question,
madam.
if any question, please write in chat box. कुछ नहीं मालूम है. No question. So, sir, there is no question in the chat
Okay,
box.
madam. No problem.
I
Madam.
think
Thank you,
you
madam.
can.
Thank you.
This is not problem.
I think everybody's understand in one way or otherwise, no understanding.
Oh,
Okay, no problem, madam. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will answer for that.
it is a very problem to get good listener
Yes, madam. Yes. Thank you.
from a student corner.
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Nice, madam. Thank you,
This
madam.
is and one more webinar.